Okay, this one's the wheel balancing machine, lesson 2 and 3 for support. So here we go. In order for the machine to accurately determine the wheel imbalance, several measurements need to be made prior to spinning the wheel for the first time. Begin by positioning the measuring arms against the inside top of the rim edge. The machine will register the wheel dimensions. In actuality, after the measurements are set, always be sure to lower the protective hood before you spin the wheel. Click on the measuring arms. So you have one right here on the side and one right here over the machine. Now oftentimes there's only one measuring arm. Okay, here we go. So it's asking you, the picture shows a cross section of the wheel. Drag the measuring arms to the inside top of the rim edge. So you want to click on the arm and place them right there on the inside of that rim edge. Next, on the screen, you can see the dimensions of the rim. What is the width of the rim? So up here you see the dimensions. So here we see the width is 6 inches. What is the diameter of the rim? Okay, right here you can see the diameter, 15. What is the distance from the rim to the reference point on the balancing machine? So here is the distance, 131 millimeters. Click on the protective hood. Well, that's easy to do. And then the start button is going to be this button here. You do have to wait for the balancing machine to finish balancing. And let's move on to lesson 3. Okay, so after the wheel is tested, the balancing machine indicates where the weight must be placed. When both arrows on one side turn from red to gray, place the weight on that side of the top of the rim. For steel wheels, clamp-on wheel weights are used. For alloy wheels, adhesive weights are used because clamp-on weights can easily damage aluminum and magnesium rims. Important, after you install the specified weights, you must always retest the wheel to ensure it's properly balanced. So here we go. Click Start button to start the balance. Okay, so you press this. You can see it doing its thing. Click on the wheel balancer display. That's right over here. You see we have 25 and we have 15. The arrows above and below the reset button enable you to rotate the tire. Rotate the wheel until both arrows on the left side of the wheel are gray. So you come over here and now we see both these arrows are gray. When both arrows on the left side turn gray, where would you place the weight? You're going to put it very up here at the top. Okay, place the indicated weights in the correct position on both the left and right side of the rim. Then click the Start button to ensure the weight is properly balanced. So I'm just going to restart this. Okay, it's come to a stop. We see 15 and 25. I'm going to rotate. Well, I'm going to kind of mess it up first. It said go until they're both gray. So here we see the red is fully left. If you click on it a little bit, you'll still see a little red right there. So make sure you don't see any at that point. Here's 15. Put the weight at the top up here. And then let's rotate it back until the right side is completely in the gray. Grab the 25, put it there. Okay, so now we should have here our 15 and our 25. This should run balanced. And we got a green light. So yes, we are in balance. And so that's good. Now, here, you have to balance two wheels yourself. Remember to spin it. Rotate first to where these are both gray. Add the weight it says. Click the button here till it's both of these are gray. Add the weight it says. Then spin it again, and you should get green. Keep practicing until you do.